ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ዋላችሁ የቻናላችን ቤተሰቦች እንደሚታወቀው ከተለያዩ ግቢ የተውጣጡ ጥያቄዎችን ሚድ እና ፋይናል ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራን ነበር። ዛሬ ደግሞ ሎጂክ ፓርት ከአምስቱም ቻፕተር ተቀላቅለው የወጡ ጥያቄዎችን የምንሰራላችሁ ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ቪዲዮን ሼር፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ ኤንድ ኮመንት ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። እንዲሁም የተለያዩ ፓወርፖይንቶችን እና አሁን የሚሰራበትን ቪዲዮ ለማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቲዩብ ቻናል ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠላችሁን የቴሌግራም ቻናላችንን ጆይን በማድረግ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ። አሁን ወደ ቪዲዮ። ነምበር 1 ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ፕራይመሪ ፎከስ ኦፍ ስቴዲ ኦፍ ሎጂክ? ሎጂክን የማጥናት ፕራይመሪ ፎከሱ ምንድነው ነው? ኤ the structure of language, B the analysis of argument, C the history of philosophy, D the study of emotion። ፕራይመሪ ፎከስ ኦፍ ሎጂክ ምንድነው? የምናጠናበት ምክንያት ወይም ጥቅሙ ምንድነው ከተባለ it is the study of or the analysis of argument ይሆናል ማለት ነው። B is the correct answer። Number 2 how does language function in the study of logic? ሎጂክን ስቴዲ በምናደርግበት ጊዜ ላንጉዌጅ እንዴት ፋንክሽን ሊያደርግ ይችላል? ኤ as a tool for artistic expression, B as a fundamental means of communication, C as an irrelevant component, D as a source of confusion። ላንጉዌጅ እንዴት ሎጂክ ላይ ሊያደርግ አገልግሎት ሊሰጥ ይችላል? So from the list of choice B is the correct answer as a functional fundamental means of communication። How does language this one is also the question that we did previously. Number 3 what is the key reason why understanding language is essential for evaluating argument? አንድን አርጊመንት ኢቫሉዌት ለማድረግ ላንጉዌጅን አንደርስታንድ የምናደርግበት ሜይን ሪዝኑ ምንድነው ነው? ኤ ላንጉዌጅ ኢዝ ኦልዌይስ ክሊር ኤንድ ፕሪሳይዝ፣ ቢ መኒ ኢረር ኢን ሎጂክ ስቲም ፍሮም ሚስዩዝ ኦፍ ላንጉዌጅ፣ ሲ ላንጉዌጅ ኢዝ ኖት ኢምፖርታንት ኢን ሎጂክ፣ ዲ ኦል አርጊመንት አር ስትሬት ፎርዋርድ። From the choice the correct answer will be A language is always clear and precise። Number 4 what are cognitive meaning in language? ኮግኒቲቭ ሚኒንግ ማለት በላንጉዌጅ ውስጥ ምንድነው ነው? ኤ ሚኒንግ ዛት ኢቮክ ፊሊንግ፣ ቢ ሚኒንግ ዛት ኮንቬይ ኢንፎርሜሽን፣ ሲ ሚኒንግ ዛት አር ኦልዌይስ ሰብጀክቲቭ፣ ዲ ሚኒንግ ዛት አር ቫግ። ኮግኒቲቭ ሚኒንግ ኢዝ a meaning that convey information is a correct answer። B is correct answer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሚኒንግ ዛት ኢቮክ ፊል is one of emotive meaning of language ነው ማለት ነው። So B is a correct answer። Number 5 what is the significance of value claims in logic? A they are irrelevant to argument, B they convey cognitive meaning only, C they help differentiate emotive meaning from cognitive meaning, D they are always factual። The correct answer will be C they help to differentiate emotive meaning from cognitive meaning። Number 6 how does vagueness affect cognitive use of language? A it clarifies arguments, B it introduces uncertainty, C it has no effect, D it simplifies language። So vagueness እንዴት ኮግኒቲቭ ዩዝ ኦፍ ላንጉዌጅን አፌክት ሊያደርግ ይችላል ነው ጥያቄ። ከተዘረዘሩት ምርጫዎች ውስጥ the correct answer will be it introduce አነሰሲቲውን ኢንትሮዲውስ ስለሚያደርግ ኮግኒቲቭ ዩዝ ኦፍ ላንጉዌጅን አፌክት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ነምበር 7 ዋት ኢዝ አምቢጊቲ ኢን ላንጉዌጅ? በላንጉዌጅ ውስጥ አምቢጊቲ ማለት ምንድን ነው? ኤ ኢት ኢዝ አ ላክ ኦፍ ክላሪቲ ኢን ሚኒንግ። ቢ ኤ ተርም ዊዝ መልቲፕል ሚኒንግ ኢን ኮንቴክስት። ሲ ኢት ኢዝ አን ኤክስፕሬሽን ዛት ኢዝ ኦልዌይስ ክሊር። ዲ ኤ ሊንጉስቲክ ፍሎው ዊዝ ኖ ሪዞሉሽን። The correct answer from list of choice is B. It is a term with multiple meaning in context. B is the correct answer. Next, what distinguishes verbal dispute from factual dispute? ፋክቹዋል and verbal dispute ተብሎ ለሁለት የሚከፈሉ types of disputes ናቸው። verbal dispute ከፋክቹዋል dispute በምን ይለያል ነው ጥያቄው። A. verbal dispute are irrelevant. B. factual dispute arises from misunderstanding of cognitive meaning. C. verbal dispute focus on emotional arguments. D. factual dispute focus on emotional argument. So the correct answer from the list of choice is B. Factual dispute arise from misunderstanding of cognitive meaning. So B is the correct answer. Number 9. What is intentional meaning? So A. The quality of or attribute that the term connotes. B. The member of class that the term denotes. C. A synonym for ambiguity. D. A vague expression. Intentional meaning is a type of meaning for the term that connotes about attribute of a term. So the correct answer will be A ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኳሊቲ ወይ attribute of termin ኮኖት የሚያደርግልን type of meaning intentional meaning ይሆናል ማለት ነው። A is the correct answer. What does extensional meaning refers to? Extensional meaning ደግሞ ምንን ሪፈር ያደርጋል? It is what the member or class or example of termin denote የሚያደርግልን type of definition is called extensional definition ይሆናል። A. The subjective feeling associated with the term. B. The actual object or members denoted by a term. C. The ambiguity in term meaning. D. The emotional impact of language. The correct answer will be the actual object or member denoted by a term. B is the correct answer. Number 11. Which of the following statement is true regarding definition? ስለ definition true የሆነው statement የትኛው ነው? A. Definition are unnecessary in logic. B. Definition consists of definiendum and definitions. C. All definitions are ambiguous. D. Definition can only be emotive. The correct answer will be B. Definition consists of definiendum and definitions. Number 12. What is stipulative definition? A. Definition that capture common usage. This is one of lexical definition. B. A definition that assigns a new meaning to the word. This is a true answer for stipulative definition. C is one of persuasive definition ይሆናል። ዲ ላይ ያለው ደግሞ ዩኒቨርሳሊ አክሰፕትድ የሆነ ዴፊኒሽን አሁንም ሌክሲካል ዴፊኒሽን ይሆናል። ሶ the correct answer will be B. Number 13. What is the main focus of lexical definition? የሌክሲካል ዴፊኒሽን ሜይን ፎከስ የትኛው ነው? To assign new meaning, to provide precise meaning based on common usage, to confuse reader, to avoid clarity. The correct answer will be B. ኦኬ ወደ ቀጣይ ቪዲዮ ወደ ቀጣይ ጥያቄ ከማለፋችን በፊት ለቻነሉ አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻነሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ ኤንድ ሼር ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። እንዲሁም ዛሬ የምሰራበትን ፒዲኤፍ እና የተለያዩ ፓወርፖይንቶችን እና ማቴሪያሎችን ለማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቱብ ቻነላችን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ስር ሊያስቀምጥነውን የቴሌግራም ሊንካችንን ጆይን በማድረግ የተለያዩ ማቴሪያሎችን ከዛ ወርዳችሁ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። አሁን ወደ ቪዲዮ። ዋት ቴክኒክ ኢዝ ኖት ዩዝድ ኢን ኤክስቴንሽናል ዲፊኒሽን። ኤክስቴንሽናል ዲፊኒሽን ላይ የትኛው ቴክኒክ ነው የማንጠቀመው? ኤ ዲሞንስትሬቲቭ ዲፊኒሽን፣ ቢ ሲኖኒመስ ዲፊኒሽን፣ ሲ ኢኑሜሬቲቭ ዲፊኒሽን፣ ዲ ሳብ ክላስ ዲፊኒሽን። ሁለት ታይፕ ኦፍ ዲፊኒሽኖች አሉ። የራሳቸው የሆነ ቴክኒክ ከስራቸው የተዘረዘረ አለ። ኤክስቴንሽናልም ኢንቴንሽናልም። ኤክስቴንሽናል ውስጥ ያልተመደበው የትኛው ነው የሚል ነው ጥያቄ። ስለዚህ ከተዘረዘሩት ምርጫዎች ውስጥ ኤክስቴንሽናል ዲፊኒሽን ያልሆነው ቢ ሲኖኒመስ ዲፊኒሽን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኢት ኢዝ ኢንቴንሽናል ዲፊኒሽን። ነምበር 15 what does operational definition focus on? A the emotional aspect of term, B the practical application or use of the term, C the historical background of the term, D the subjective meaning of the term. The correct answer will be B. Number 16 which of the following is an example of persuasive definition? A defining justice as fairness, B defining freedom as absence of restriction, C defining environment as subject of concern for humanity, D defining knowledge as justified through belief. The correct answer from the list of choice is C defining environment as a subject of concern for humanity. So C is the correct answer. Number 17 what is a key requirement of lexical definition? A they must be vague, B they should reflect common usage, C they can be subjective, D they must avoid clarity. ስለ lexical definition key requirement የሆነው የትኛው ነው? So correct answer will be B. Number 18 in the context of definition what is the role of definition? A it is a term being defined, B it provides the meaning of the definition, C it is always subjective, D it is irrelevant to the definition. The correct answer will be B. It provides the meaning of definition. 19 which of the following best describes emotive meaning? A they are only found in factual statement, B they evoke feeling or emotion, C they are always vague, D they are strictly cognitive. The correct answer will be B. Number 20 how can vagueness be defined? A when a theme has single clear meaning, B when a term has no clear boundary of application, C when a term is always factual, D when a term is universally understood. The correct answer will be B the term has no clear boundary of application. 21 what is a common problem associated with ambiguous expression? A they are always clear, B they can be lead to multiple interpretation, C they have no effect on argument, D they simplify communication. The correct answer will be B they can lead to multiple interpretation. So number 23 what is the significance of definition in logical analysis? A they are unnecessary, B they help clarify meaning and reduce misunderstanding, C they complicate argument, D they are subjective interpretation. What is a definition in logical analysis definition? No. So they help to clarify meaning and reduce misunderstanding. B is the correct answer. 24 what does it mean when a term has an empty extension? A it has no connotation, B it has no member in its class, C it has multiple meaning, D it is always clear. So the correct answer will be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። It has no member in its class. 25 which of the following is not a characteristics of cognitive meaning? A it conveys information, B it is subjective, C it is essential for logical evaluation, D it is concerned with factual accuracy. So not characteristics of a cognitive meaning is called, it is subjective. Cognitive meaning is not subjective. 26 how do logicians usually restrict the meaning of connotation and denotation? እንዴት ሪስትሪክት ያደርጋሉ? ኤ ባይ ሪሌይንግ ኦን ፐርሶናል ኢንተርፕሪቴሽን፣ ቢ ባይ አድሄሪንግ ኮንቬንሽናል ሚኒንግ፣ ሲ ባይ አቮይዲንግ ዲፊኒሽናል ቱጌዘር፣ ዲ ባይ ዩዚንግ ቫጊው ተርም። ሶ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ዊል ቢ ቢ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ባይ አድሄሪንግ ቱ ኮንቬንሽናል ሚኒንግ። ዋይ ኢዝ ሌክሲካል ዲፊኒሽን ኮንሲደርድ ዘ ሞስት ኢምፖርታንት ታይፕ ኦፍ ዲፊኒሽን? A. It is always vague. It reflects common understanding of term. So B is the correct answer from the choice listed below. Number 28. What is the key characteristics of precising definition? A. It is assign a new meaning. B. It clarifies the meaning of an ambiguous term. C. It is purely subjective. D. It avoids specificity. The correct answer will be it clarifies the meaning of an ambiguous term. Number 29. In logical argument, what should be the primary concern when using emotively charged statement? A. To ignore their meaning. B. To engage with their cognitive meaning separately. C. To avoid emotional language entirely. D. To amplify their emotional impact. So the correct answer will be B. ይሆናል ማለት ነው። To engage with their cognitive meaning separately. Number 13. This is last question. Which type of definition focus on term usage in the particular field or discipline? Focus on term usage in the particular field or discipline. A. Stipulative. B. Lexical. C. Theoretical. D. Persuasive definition. The correct answer will be C. Theoretical definition ይሆናል ማለት ነው። የዛሬ ቪዲዮአችንን በዚህ እናበቃለን። ቀጣይ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ድረስ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ቪዲዮአችንን ሼር፣ ኮመንት እና ኮፒ ሊንክ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። እንዲሁም እዚህ እየሰራው ያለሁበትን ፒዲኤፍ እና የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎችን እንዲሁም ፓወርፖይንቶችን ለማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቱብ ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠውን የቴሌግራም ሊንካችንን በመንካት ጆይን አድርጋችሁ ማቴሪያሉን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። እስከዛ መልካም ቆይታ ይሆንላችሁ።